had completed the elementary school?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood by each and everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Only Vijay Lakshmi understood. Anushka is not there today.
No, ma'am, she is not there.
Okay, fine. Payal, you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So now the third poem, Keeping Quiet. Open it.
Ma'am.
Opened. Taken out better. Okay, the first and foremost, I'm going to tell you the summary of it. Now, this poem, it is written by the poet Pablo Neruda. Okay, and he just talks about the necessity of quiet introspection. Why? Because he wants to create a feeling of mutual understanding among human beings. And now see, what is introspection? Introspection is self-assessment. Okay. Today a person is so busy that he hardly gets time to stop or to suspend his activities and just to do a kind of a meditation or an introspection rather, means to assess himself. Every time he is busy in some or the other work, you children, you are busy in studies, in attending the coaching classes and then completing the assignments and all. Parents are busy in fulfilling your desires, your aims, your ambitions, rushing towards the money. So any person in this world, you know, he hardly introspects himself. Okay. इंट्रोस्पेक्शन का मीनिंग समझ में आ गया? आत्मनिरीक्षण जिसको कहा जाता है, सेल्फ असेसमेंट. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
To sit for a while, stop all the activities and to introspect yourself means to assess yourself and see what you have achieved in your life and what you have lost in your life. Okay. So now this poet, you know, he is asking everybody that everybody means we all are going to count up to 12. He takes the number 12. Now 12 may be related to the clock, okay, or 12 may be related to the month. But he says we are going to count up to 12 and he urges everybody to be quiet for a moment. He says that nobody on this earth should speak in any language. Means every person has to stop the activity, to suspend the activity, and each person has to be quiet. Okay, quiet means not speaking, not doing anything, not moving, nothing, just come to a standstill. So he urges everybody and he says that do not speak in any language. Why? According to the poet, language always acts as a barrier. Barrier एक रुकावट की तरह language act करता है. Why? Because in different parts of the world, in different parts of the countries, people they speak different languages, है ना? And those languages are not able to be understood by everybody. See, even in a country, people living in different states, they speak different languages, isn't it, beta? So are we able to understand those language? Are we able to understand those languages?
No,
No, ma'am.
Anushka is there. Good morning, Anushka. So we are not able to understand those languages. It means languages it acts as a barrier. Okay, एक रुकावट की तरह काम करता है. Right? So he says that nobody is going to speak in any language. He urges each and every human being not to speak in any language and to be quiet, not to do any work also, okay, to come to a standstill. Standstill समझते हैं? Statue. Okay, when we were small we used to play the game of statue, you know, we used to make others statue, right?
yes, ma'am.
तो क्या होता था? That particular person, he or she, you know, stood like a statue, suspended all the activities of him, and he was almost like a statue doing nothing. Right? So the similar things, he wants that everybody should be a statue. Statue means everybody should come to a standstill, stop the activities, but they should introspect themselves, okay? They should think on their own about the achievements and about the loss that they had in their life. Clear? And then he says that once it so happens that the whole world, it comes to a standstill, it would be a very exotic moment, a very wonderful moment, a very rare moment. Nobody might have ever seen that moment. Can you imagine the whole world coming to a standstill? See, we come to a standstill just for 2 minutes to give our tribute, our homage to our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
See, so much of
Yes, ma'am.
silence is
Yes,
there in
ma'am.
the school, na? Pin drop silence is there. Why? Because everything comes to a standstill. And that moment, it looks very wonderful. Right? So similarly,
Yes,
he
ma'am.
says that it would be an exotic moment, a very rare moment, okay, a very wonderful moment, when the whole world will come to a standstill. Why? There wouldn't be any talking, there wouldn't be any moving, there wouldn't be any moving of the people, any moving of the vehicles, no work would be done, so there wouldn't be any sound of engines or vehicles, nothing. Right? And we would all be together in a suddenly, a strange environment would be created, and we would be together doing the same thing. Getting it, better?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
he says that many bad things, many evil things are done in this world, isn't it? The animals, they are being killed and hunted every now and then. So he gives a very small example by saying that he cannot give the example of each and every animal that is being hunted. He gives an example of the whales that are hunted or that are killed because of food or because or for the purpose of trade. You know it well. Whales, they are very
Yes, ma'am.
less in number,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So he
Yes,
says
ma'am.
that once everybody would be quite doing nothing, even the fishermen who are killing the whales, they would stop killing the whales, even the killing of the whales, this activity would be suspended. Right, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
है ना? तो whales का तो एक एग्जाम्पल है ना? इस पल कितने जानवरों को मारा जाता है, तो वो एक्टिविटी रुक जाएगी ना? Extension of the animals,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
sea animals would be stopped. And then he
Yes, ma'am.
says that the poor people, they hardly get any time to look at their wounds. Wounds समझते हो ना, जो घाव हो जाते हैं उनके. Okay? They hardly get
Yes,
any time. Why? Because all the time they are busy working since morning till evening.
yes, ma'am.
Got
Yes,
it? They are
ma'am.
not like us. They do not have any mental work. They have lot and lot of physical work. Why? They are poor and uneducated. So in the morning they just get up and they just move on to do some or the other kind of labor. है ना कोई labor करते हैं, मजदूरी करते हैं. And many times, they are hurt, they are wounded. कई बार, है ना, उनको चोट लग जाती है, wounded हो जाते हैं. But they do not sit at home and look at their wounds. Why? They know it very well. They are hand to mouth. They know it very well that if they are going to look at their wounds, they will cry for their wounds. Okay? Then the next day, they will not get any food to fill their stomachs. Hand to mouth means every day they earn and they eat. They fill their stomachs. Whether they earn meager, very less, or more than that. Clear? So he has
Yes,
given an example of such a man. People or men, when they make salt, while making the salt is very rough, okay? So when they make the salt, they have lot of rashes, their hands are wounded, right? So
Yes.
many people like this man who gathers salt may get time during introspection to look at his hurt hands, to look at his wounds, to reflect upon himself as to what he has lost in his life or what he has achieved. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now the
ma'am.
next para, the next page, it says, now he's urging to everybody, okay? Now he's urging to the people who prepare green wars. Green wars means destruction of the nature. He's urging those people also who destroy the environment, who destroy the nature, to come and stand and do the introspection. Then wars with gas and wars with fire. Now he's urging scientists who make nuclear powers or nuclear weapons, the scientists, he urges them. He urges to the soldiers who are fighting there on the borders without any cause of their own, I'm saying, they're fighting for the country, okay? So he urges everybody to come and stand with their fellow beings. Fellow beings means ones who had been the enemies, now they are their brothers. He wants them to consider them as their brothers, not their enemies. And he says, though these people, the scientists who prepare nuclear weapons and all the countries that fight with each other, the soldiers, many times they come out victorious. Okay. But how do they come out victorious? By killing thousands and thousands or lakhs and lakhs of people of other countries. But
Yes, ma'am.
do they leave any survivors to see their victory? You got this? You got my point?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
लाखों लोगों को
We-
मारते हैं, है ना? चाहे वो न्यूक्लियर वॉर्स हो, चाहे कंट्रीज की फाइट हो, लेकिन जब लाखों लोग मर जाते हैं तो उनकी जीत को देखने के लिए तो सर्वाइवर्स बचते ही नहीं है, isn't
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
So they
Yes,
come out
ma'am.
victorious, but hardly any survivors are there to see their victory. तो ऐसे लोगों को भी he urges everybody to come and stand under the shade, okay? Come and stand with the fellow beings, okay? With their comrades. They are not their enemies anymore. He wants them that they should be considered as their companions, their brothers, their friends, and they shouldn't be doing anything. इस तरह से the nuclear weapons, making of the nuclear weapons would be suspended. The fights that the soldiers are doing among themselves with the other countries, that would be stopped for some time. And the people who are harming the nature, that would be stopped. And they would develop an atmosphere of peace and understanding when everybody would stand together. Got it, beta? Followed?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Everybody?
ma'am.
Now, finally, in the last para, what he says, he urges the readers that they should not confuse this inactiveness of the work with total inactivity. Means he is asking everybody to be inactive, means to stop the activities for a second. He is not associating it with death. Total inactivity is till the end, till death. He does not want that everybody should stop their activities forever. Getting it? वो नहीं चाहता कि हमेशा के लिए आप inactive हो जाओ. वो क्या चाहते हैं? Writer चाहते हैं, poet चाहते हैं कि कुछ पल के लिए you should be inactive. Why? When you will be inactive and when you will do the introspection, sure the result would come out to be a good one, to be a very beneficial one, and the activities that you had been doing, okay, that harms the nature, that harms the society, हो सकता है इस introspection के बाद you are going to change the course of your activities, the direction of your activities that had the harmful effects on the earth, or maybe on the people, or maybe on the environment. तो वो कह रहे हैं कि इसको total inactivity से मत जोड़िए. I'm only asking you to stop the activities for some time and do the introspection. Life is what it is about. I want no truck with death, he says. Means life is an ongoing process. Life, it goes on and on and on. Whatever happens with you, okay? Many times, many are near and dear ones, they leave us and they just go away from this earth. They die, they pass away. But do we die with them? No, beta. Though the sorrow, it exists in our hearts always, but we never die then. We have to carry on a life. So life, it is an ongoing process. It cannot be stopped, and he does not want to associate this inactiveness with death, means with total inactivity. समझ गए?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody, all the
Yes, ma'am.
students who are there, participants, understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
John,
ma'am.
Nikhil and all, Dheeraj, Vijay Lakshmi, Lakshya,
Yes, ma'am.
सबको आ रहा
Yes,
है?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
राधिका,
Yes, ma'am.
Ruhin,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, Saloni and all, everybody is following now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now finally he says that a person is always a single-minded. He aims to achieve his aim, his ambition all his life. He's just rushing after the money, after the materialistic things. Okay, he's just running behind. He's just busy in fulfilling the needs of his family. Why? Because he wants to achieve everything in his life, as he is afraid of death. Okay, he knows very well that sure death would come to him. So he wants to achieve everything before he gets into the clutches of death. Before he dies, he wants to achieve everything.
बर्तन मांज लिया कुत्ती
तो-
खावा नहीं मरेगी गाटी बेस
अरे बर्तन बाद में मानना, पायल म्यूट करो. So he wants to achieve everything in his life, a person, and he's somewhat a selfish kind of a man. Each or every human being is selfish, He's always running after his aim or ambitions, and always he's running in this rat race, in this rat race to earn more and more, and to fulfill all his aims, to fulfill all his ambitions, and to give everything the best to his family, right? And that is the main reason he cannot do anything on this earth. Means anything means he cannot introspect himself. He does not get time to introspect himself. So he urges, that is why he urges everybody to stop the activities and do the introspection. Okay? So that he might come to know about his achievements, that what he has achieved in his life and what he has lost in his life. Clear? And he may also,
ma'am.
yes, and he may also get this idea that he never tried to understood himself, or he never tried to just eradicate some of the sorrows or some of the negativity that existed in him. Why? Because he hardly got time to do the self-assessment. Clear? And the writer says that
ma'am.
be afraid of death. Okay, why? Because death, death is no end of everything. It is not the end of everything. After death, again, the rebirth is there. And for this, the writer gives a very beautiful example, beta, of earth. Earth that seems to be dead. Later on, it proves to be alive. Okay, it means during the winter season, earth, it seems to be dead. Why? Because everything gets covered with snow. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
there are no growing or blooming or no blossoming of flowers or nothing is there, na? Not here, but
Yes,
not in
ma'am.
the hot countries, but mostly in the cold countries, everything is covered with snow, and it seems that the earth has come to an end. No, it has not come to an end. After few days, as soon as the spring season comes, beta, the earth, it becomes alive.
Yes, ma'am.
It takes birth again.
Yes, ma'am.
The trees
Yes,
and
ma'am.
everything that seems to be dead, they comes to life. They
Yes,
start
ma'am.
sprouting, they start growing.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear or not? So similarly, he says that a person should not be afraid of death. Why? Because after death, there is a rebirth. So in his life, at least, he should take out some moments in which a person can introspect all his achievements, okay, all his
Yes, ma'am.
losses and everything, and can make his life very peaceful and can achieve something in his life more better than he had achieved earlier. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Finally,
Yes, ma'am.
now he is going to count up to 12 and he urges everybody to stop and do the introspection. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very well understood by all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, fine then. Take care, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
God bless you all. God bless you.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, fine, Payal.